For those of you that got the K4001 kit, the non-combo version of the Stingray, you can use all our build videos just like the combo kit. You just, instead of putting our electronics in it, you're going to put the electronics that you choose to put in it. The items that don't come in the K4001, the servos don't come in the regular kit, ESC doesn't come in the regular kit, and the motor doesn't come in the regular kit. The receiver also doesn't, but that's true of the combo as well. The type of servos you're going to use, they're basically 500 size helicopter servos. Their torque and speed ratings are slightly different. You need a speed between 0.09 and 0.11 speed. Torque between 3 and 5 kilograms. You don't really want less than that. That'd be too weak of a servo. You can use ones that are high voltage or maybe not even high voltage. These are 6 volt. You can run them. High voltage servos are. Some JR Fatabas are really nice servos for this. The ESC, this is a 45 amp ESC with a built-in BEC. The main problem you're going to have with ESCs in this size range is you often don't have really good built-in BECs. This ESC is unique. The next D one's unique because of the built-in BEC. Works great with these servos. Most other ESCs you're going to try, I would suggest you run a separate BEC that'll handle the load of these servos, because these servos are a little higher load than you would see in a normal like 450 or others that might run this size ESC. So just note that if you try your ESC, your 50 amp ESC, and the servos just act a little funny, the quick way to test it, your BEC, is just sit on the ground, power it on, move all your servos to extremes, and see if they lock up. See if your receiver flashes and your TG multi flashes. That'll indicate that your BEC inside your ESC simply is not high enough delivery for these servos. Then you need to get an external BEC. As far as the motor, it's basically it's for a 4S setup. It's a 3000 kV motor in the range of 500 watts. You can go higher than that, obviously, but that's the range these motors are in. So you're just looking for something for that size. We've tried 3S setups. They don't tend to run as well in this model for whatever reason. It just doesn't have the right kind of torque for this model. 6S we've not tried. That's one of the next things we want to try. I know a lot of guys are talking about 6S setups in it, and I would assume that will work well. It'll be a good power range and good size motors. That's about it on the setup. It's really just servos, ESC, and motor is the unique things you're going to get if you've got the kit. Other than that, just use all our other videos, just like the combo kit, even if you're running the regular kit.